This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Tetris on Nintendo Switch. To begin, hold your Nintendo Switch in handheld mode or connect your Joy-Cons. The objective is to clear horizontal lines of 10 blocks by strategically placing falling tetraminos. Use the left joystick or directional buttons to move pieces left and right, and the A button to rotate them clockwise. The B button rotates counterclockwise. Press down on the joystick or directional buttons to soft drop, or press up to hard drop instantly. Aim for a clear board. Once you have the basics down, try advanced techniques. A T-spin involves rotating a T-shaped tetramino into a tight space for bonus points. You can also hold a piece by pressing the L or R button, saving it for a more opportune moment. Setting up a Tetris involves clearing 4 lines simultaneously, which yields a significant score bonus. Practice these moves to elevate your gameplay and achieve higher scores. Tetris on Nintendo Switch offers several exciting game modes. The Marathon mode challenges you to clear as many lines as possible, while Sprint mode tasks you with clearing 40 lines as quickly as you can. You can also engage in multiplayer battles, either locally or online, competing against friends or players worldwide. Explore these options to find your favorite way to play and customize your experience. To consistently achieve high scores, focus on keeping your stack low and flat, avoiding large gaps. Always prioritize setting up for a Tetris by leaving a 4-block high column open. Don't be afraid to experiment with different strategies and piece placements. Most importantly, remember to have fun and enjoy the classic puzzle action. With practice, you'll be clearing lines like a pro in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.